My friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When we have friends over for dinner, I like serving them an appetizer. Or the same when they just stop by in the evening for a few drinks. Something to munch on. Dips and spreads are a delicious choice. They're fairly easy to make and nice to serve with crackers, chips, or pretzels, just like this tasty featured one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Clam Casino Spread. It's so flavorful. The big plus of it is it can be made ahead and kept in the fridge until ready to serve. Unpretentious, this is certainly a great recipe to have on hand. So my friends, let's get cooking.
The first thing we'll do is to cook the bacon. I prefer using my oven method because there's no mess. If you prefer to cook on a stovetop, go ahead. So we'll process with the oven, and if you don't know about this technique, click on the top right corner of your screen to get it. While it's baking, we can do our mise en place, which is prepping our ingredients. One of them is the star of this recipe, the clams. Here in Canada, I've never seen cans of minced clams. Therefore, after draining them, we'll simply chop them. And don't forget to reserve the juice from one of the cans. At the end, we should have about 1.5 cups of these little guys. Alright, so let's move on to the stove. When the bacon is done, we'll transfer the slices to paper towels and pour in the fat collected at the bottom into a skillet, which should be around 1 tablespoon. In case you don't have enough, I sure hope you've been reserving your bacon fat. Every cook should never throw it and keep it in the fridge stored in an airtight container. If you don't have any, the next best thing is to add some oil or clarified butter. When it gets hot, and it won't take too long, we'll add onions, followed by red peppers and poblano peppers. We'll saute our veggies for a couple minutes on medium heat. Next, we'll add pressed garlic and saute for only 1 minute. To this, we'll add the minced clams and stir to combine with the rest of the mixture. In fact, they will absorb the remaining bacon fat. And we'll cook them for 1 minute, stirring constantly. Look at this, my friends. It's so pretty. Remember when I said to reserve some juice? Well, this is when we add it to the mix. We'll stir once again, increase the heat to medium-high, and season with freshly ground black pepper and ground sea salt. We'll cook until the liquid is almost evaporated, about 3 minutes. When time is up, we'll add panko breadcrumbs, which will help to absorb the remaining liquid, and stir continuously for 1 minute. If there's still a little at the bottom, it's not a big deal. We'll then remove from the heat and transfer the clam mixture into a bowl to cool off. It should take about 35 to 45 minutes. So, later on, we'll add 1 package of room temperature light cream cheese to a mixing bowl. We'll also add sour cream, freshly squeezed lemon juice, hot sauce, and the brand I use is Cholula. It has great flavor without overpowering the ingredients. Then our room temperature clam mixture and crumbled bacon, but reserve some for garnish, okay? We'll mix our ingredients until everything is very well blended. The cream cheese is the most challenging one. When this step is done, we'll place some cling film on top, making sure it touches the surface, and transfer to the fridge to chill for at least 2 hours. When it's time to serve, we'll transfer the spread to a serving bowl and sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley and crumbled bacon. And my friends, This is our Clam Casino Spread. This is a flavorful twist on an old classic. It's easy to make and perfect when having people over. Served with crackers, pretzels, or even vegetable sticks, this is a lovely recipe to enjoy anytime. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!